Are you energized by social gatherings, or do you prefer spending time alone? Why do people have such different personalities? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating psychology behind introverts and extroverts and discover what science says about these two personality types.
What is the difference between an introvert and an extrovert? An introvert gains energy from quiet time, reflection, and smaller social settings. An extrovert feels energized by interacting with people, participating in group activities, and engaging with the outside world. Neither personality type is better, they're simply different. Who introduced the concepts of introversion and extraversion? Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung introduced the concepts of introversion and extraversion in the early 20th century. He believed people naturally differ in where they direct their mental energy, either inward toward thoughts or outward toward people and experiences. The privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. Carl Jung. Are introverts shy? Not necessarily. Shyness is the fear of social judgment, while introversion is a preference for quieter environments. Many introverts enjoy socializing, but need time alone afterward to recharge their mental energy. Are extroverts always confident? No. Extroverts often enjoy social interaction, but they can also experience self-doubt or anxiety. Confidence depends on many factors, including experience, self-esteem, and personality, not simply whether someone is an extrovert. Can someone be both an introvert and an extrovert? Yes, many people are ambiverts, meaning they display both introverted and extroverted traits. Their behavior often changes depending on the situation, mood, or environment. Which personality type is more successful? Success is not determined by personality type. Introverts often excel in deep thinking, creativity, and concentration, while extroverts frequently thrive in leadership, communication, and teamwork. Both can achieve remarkable success. What are the strengths of introverts? Introverts are often thoughtful, observant, independent, and excellent listeners. They usually enjoy meaningful conversations, careful planning, and focused work, making them effective researchers, writers, and problem solvers. What are the strengths of extroverts? Extroverts are generally energetic, sociable, enthusiastic, and comfortable working with others. They often excel at networking, public speaking, leadership, collaboration, and motivating teams toward shared goals. Can personality change over time? Yes. Although personality has stable traits, life experiences, education, career demands, and personal growth can gradually influence how introverted or extroverted a person becomes throughout life. Is it better to be an introvert or an extrovert? Neither is better. Every personality has unique strengths and challenges. The key is understanding your natural tendencies and using them effectively while developing skills that help you succeed in different situations. Introverts and extroverts see and experience the world in different ways, but both contribute valuable strengths to society. Understanding your personality can help you improve relationships, build confidence, and unlock your full potential. Are you an introvert, an extrovert, or an ambivert? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating psychology videos.